Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Welcome to this guided meditation to recalibrate your body, mind, spirit. Please come into a comfortable seat, or if you'd rather lie down, feel free to lie down. Bring your eyes to close and begin to tune into your breath. Inviting your breath to slow down. And noticing where you are able to feel the flow of breath through your body. And allow your breath to remain steady and smooth as you check in with the surface of your face. And just begin to dissolve any tension you become aware of. If your forehead is grimacing or there's tension around the eyes, you may want to lift and lower the eyebrows a couple times. And breathe in to the space around your eyes, and as you exhale, just fully relax and release your eyes. And check in with your jaw as well, letting the jaw release, letting the mouth relax. And you may also want to just open your mouth. Move your jaw gently from side to side. And invite the tongue inside your mouth to drop heavy into the bottom of your mouth. And just feel all the muscles across your face becoming soft. Return to your breath and just feel the breath again coming in through the nose and flowing out of the nose in a smooth and steady way. And then move down into your neck and your shoulders, becoming sensitive to this part of your body today. And inviting tension to release. Letting your arms become heavy. And notice your hands and relaxing your hands. However, if you do notice that there's gripping in the fingers, or if they're holding a bit, just let your fingers wiggle. And maybe even rest the thumbs in towards the palms and let your fingers ever so gently wrap over your thumbs. And then take a nice slow breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Breath by breath, becoming a little bit more settled in your body. And moving your attention down into your torso. Noticing if there is any stress that you're holding through this area of your body, possibly stress in your organs or along your back. Sometimes people hold a lot of stress in their gut or their abdominal muscles. So scan through this area of your body and see if you can let go of stress and tension with your exhalations. Again, continuing to breathe in and out smoothly and completely. Feeling more spaciousness through your torso. And then shift your attention down into your hips and your pelvis. And as you pause and observe this area of your body, see if you can sense the breath moving into this space. And then letting your awareness travel down into your knees and down into your ankles and your feet. Breath by breath, dissolving tension, stress, letting go of unnecessary holding. So we've connected to the body, and we've quieted the mind by giving it something to focus on, breath and the relaxation of the body. Let's now connect into your spirit and begin to let the energy of your spirit or most expansive self calibrate with your body and mind. So feel your physical body. Feel it moving with your breath. And shift your attention from the physical body to your energetic body. Notice how this part of you feels different than your physical body, and notice how big you become. Our energetic body flows and expresses through our physical body, as well as the space around our body. So sense into the bigness of your energetic self. And see if you can find the edge of you. Where is the most outer boundary of you? How far out from your physical body does your energetic body stretch? See if you can feel into that place and begin to imagine this outer edge of you glowing with light. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, you may even notice that this outer boundary of you brightens up with your inhalation and just softens with your exhalation. This outer light that you're visualizing, imagining, sensing, feeling represents your spiritual self. And this light, this energy does not just exist here along the outer edges of you. It flows through your entire being. So see if you can allow your spiritual self to begin flowing through your entire physical body, throughout the entire space around you, lighting you up. Recalibrating your body, mind, spirit connection internally. Keep breathing slowly, deeply, and completely, letting the breath support this weaving together of these three aspects of self: body, mind, spirit. Allow your inner light to be fully turned on. And let this light help transmute any darkness, any negativity, any stress in this moment that you may be experiencing. Let's take 3 more slow, deep, and complete breaths. Breathing in for as long as possible without strain, and then breathing out for as long as possible without strain. And then to seal in this inner alignment of body, mind, and spirit, you can bring your palms to press at the front of your chest in what's called Anjali Mudra, prayer position, or simply rest your hands over your chest, over your heart. Taking one last deep breath in through the nose, and this time sigh out through an open mouth. You are a complete and whole being with a body, with a mind, with an expansive spirit. Allow all of yourself to move with you into the rest of your day, feeling your bigness, taking up space, and being a light, a positive light in the world. Thanks for joining us here. Have a beautiful rest of your day.